Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am starting with article writing for class 11th and 12th ISC board. So this article is on global warming. I've made a similar video in which I have covered the format of article writing and told you how to write the introduction and what to write in the body and then the conclusion. Now let's start with this article of global warming. Write an article of 300 words titled Global Warming, a Major Catastrophe. Base your report on the following points. Now, these points are already provided to you in the question paper, and while writing the answer, you have to include these keywords. You can highlight those keywords or put it inside inverted commas. Greenhouse gases, increase in temperature, melting glaciers, estimates for the future, risk to plants and animals, measures to control global warming, and you may add relevant details. Now let's have a look on the heading. This is the heading. You have to write it in capital letters. Global warming, a major catastrophe by your name. Now the starting paragraph, that is the introductory paragraph, you have to define what is global warming. The term global warming refers to the rise in the temperature of planet Earth which will bring an end to the human civilization. The greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide make the earth hotter by absorbing maximum thermal radiations of the sun and not letting them escape. The rise in temperature disturbs the ring cycle. Now see, I have highlighted the keywords, or you may write it with a black pen. The ecological balance and the cycle of seasons. It adversely affects vegetation and agriculture. Thus, we have to face frequent floods, droughts, crop failures, water scarcity, and increase in the frequency of natural disasters. With the increase in temperature, the glaciers have started melting, and there is a risk of coastal regions submerging due to increase in sea level. Are we ready to face extinction in a watery grave? Global warming is also responsible for various epidemics like yellow fever, malaria, etc. Now comes the body. Animals and plants are on the brink of extinction as they find it difficult to cope with temperature changes. Satellite pictures have revealed that the polar ice caps have been melted by 10% in one decade since 1980. It estimated that over the next 50 years, the temperature increase of 3 degrees Celsius may raise the sea level and submerge the low-lying coastal area like Maldives, Lakshadweep, Shanghai, Mumbai to name a few. With a catastrophe staring, we need to regain the lost balance in nature or our existence would fade into oblivion in the blink of an eye. In 1992, at the Earth Summit, 160 countries signed an agreement, Kyoto Protocol. Every country is now bound to follow measures to check global warming. Population must be controlled. More trees should be planted, that is afforestation. Use of CFC must be reduced. Also, mankind needs to make a shift towards green and clean sources of energy on an urgent basis. If we don't wake up now, we will have to face a terrible doomsday, which is in fact our doing. Thanks for watching. If you want to join the Telegram group of AB Education Hub, the link is in the description.